Laclede Chain Manufacturing Company presents installation instructions for our Alpine Premier, Alpine Sport, and Alpine Supert Sport tire chains. To ensure familiarity with the installation process and to check for proper chain fitment, it's recommended that tire chains are pre-fit prior to initial use. To install Laclede Alpine Series chains, first remove the chains and weatherproof instruction sheet from the reusable nylon bag. Select one of the two chain assemblies and disconnect the fastener where the blue and yellow ends of the cable hoop are joined. Uncoil the chain and lay it out flat with the yellow tubing positioned on your left. Examine the chain for any twists and tangles in the cross chain or rim chain links. Twisted chains will reduce the durability and product life, so be sure to untangle the chains as necessary. Starting with the yellow end of the cable, slide the cable and left half of the chain assembly behind and around the tire. On the left side, pull the red yoke fastener outward past the front of the tire, and on the right side, pull the red draw chain outward. Spread the chain out evenly on both sides around the tire while rechecking and correcting any tangles in the cross chain. Grasp each end of the cable and pull the ends outward first and then up to the top of the tire while keeping the cross chains draped on the tire. Connect the cable fastener by seating the round metal nub on the right end into the housing on the left side. Leave the cable on top of the tire tread for now. Next, at the top of the tire, connect the red hook plate fastener on the right into the first link of the gold-colored side chain on the left. Push the cable to the back side of the tire and center the cross chain sections as evenly as possible across the tire tread. At the bottom of the tire, locate the red yoke fastener on the left side and the red draw chain on the right. Pull both of these components outward first to eliminate slack, and then pull the red draw chain tightly through the red yoke fastener. After pulling the draw chain tight through the red yoke fastener, make sure a link of the red draw chain is seated securely in the notch on the red yoke fastener. Leading with the black rubber tightener, feed the draw chain through the two circular red retaining rings. Once secure through the rings, pull the draw chain 180 degrees back across the tire and secure the draw chain hook into a link of side chain. Note that depending on the chain fitment on your particular tire, it may not be possible to utilize both red rings. It is okay to use only one red ring in order to secure the draw chain back across the tire for fastening. With the connection secure, drive your vehicle at least 15 feet and then stop to check the connection points. Securing the chain as tight as possible ensures maximum product life. To retighten the chain, first disconnect the draw chain hook from the side chain and pull it back through the circular red retaining rings. Next, detach the red hook plate fastener from the gold-colored side chain. Try to reconnect the fastener one or two links past where the initial installation connection was made. Retighten the red draw chain through the yoke fastener and pull it back through the red circular retaining rings. Pull the draw chain back across the tire and re-secure at the furthest point possible into a side chain link. During use, check the chain frequently for tightness and retighten accordingly. Do not exceed 30 miles per hour during use. To remove the tire chains, first, disconnect the draw chain and pull it back through the red retaining rings. Next, unhook the red plate fastener and unhook the cable fastener on the back side of the tire. With the chains lying flat on the ground, make sure the fasteners are clear of the tire path, then pull the vehicle forward several feet and collect your chains for storage. Maintain your chains by washing them in hot water and drying them after use. Thank you for watching the video, and we wish you a safe winter season.